Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a quick video about the ternary operator in JavaScript. And this is a simple one, shouldn't be really hard to understand, but I thought I will make a video in case you're having problems with it. So let's see what's the structure, the syntax of the ternary operator first. You will have something like an expression here or a boolean value. Let's say boolean or expression. So it's going to be either an expression that evaluates to a boolean or a boolean value, and then you will have a question mark, which basically asks, is this true or is this false? Is it true? That's what he's asking, right? So if this is true, it will here will be again either an expression, something that's gonna happen, or a return value, and then you have two dots like this, and then you have either an expression or a return value, right? So what's gonna happen is gonna say if this is a boolean that is true, a boolean value that is true, or an expression that evaluates to true. Let me correct these things. Right? If it evaluates to true, then you will either do this expression or return this, or do this expression or return this, depending of what you need to use the ternary operator for, right? So let me give you a quick example. Let's say I do a console log, and then in here I say something. I will put a boolean value, the true boolean value, and I'm going to say true, then true. It's going to write true, right? If not, false. So if this is true, it will put the one in the first position after the question mark. If it's false, it's going to put the false, right? So let's run the program. I don't need to git push. I'm going to say node ternary.js, and it says true because I have true here. If I change this to false, so this one will be false, then it will put the one on the right, which is false, right? So I put false here and I run again. We will get the second one, which is false, right? So this is how the ternary operator works. You have an expression or a boolean value, question mark. If this will evaluate to true or is true, it will return this, or it will do whatever expression is here. If it's false, then it will do the one on the right. So not the first one, the second one, right? So let's see. So you can use this in a console, for example, or you can say something like that. Const person person is adult, right? And then let's say you have a variable that's called age, const age equals, let's say 17, right? And you will say const person is adult, which will or let's just say is adult, and you will say age, my age is higher or equal to 18, question mark, then true. So if the age is higher or equal to 18, then is adult will get the value of true. If not, it will get the value of false, right? Now if I say console log is adult, false because it's 17. If I put here age 24 and I do it again, save it and do it again, then you will get true, right? So this is like a really easy example to understand. Let's show. You can also do like how you call them, double ternary, where here instead of having a return value, you do another ternary. You can say const age equals 24 and say console log age less than 18, then you can't. Okay, I will use this. I will use the. I need to skip this because I'm using this, or I can use this here, just so it's more understandable, right? You can drink, right? And then you could say age equals 18, and again question mark, and say you just turned 18, and then again dots and let's drink. Okay, so basically you have a multiple ternary, right? Double ternary, where after the on the second on the right side you have another expression that's another ternary instead of just a string, right? So if we say now this, we get let's drink. If you give it 18, you just turned 18, and if you get something lower than 18, then we get you can drink. Oh, so I will advise though, if you have an expression that needs more than this, different conditions, don't go and make like a really multiple ternary where you have a lot of question marks and dots, because it will quickly get unreadable. So when you have more condition, you're better off using a switch or just multiple if and else, okay, because it's more understandable. But if you have something like a simple expression, then using the ternary will basically shorten your code. Okay, I hope you learned something from this, and if you like, please subscribe and or like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.